Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your phone application. Next up, in the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into block numbers option. And now here we got 2 block number, so for unlocking this one, for example last, need to click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And we got success message. So let's try again this number and click here on the right side to cross and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.